I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by measuring out your ingredients precisely. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, about 1/2 cup of warm water, and a small pinch of salt. This simple combination is all it takes to create delicious, homemade pasta without eggs. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, so let's get started on our culinary adventure. Now, on a clean surface, create a well in the center of your flour. Slowly pour the water into the well, using a fork to gently incorporate the flour from the sides. Once a shaggy dough forms, begin kneading it with your hands. This crucial step develops the gluten, making your pasta pliable and strong. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. After kneading, it's essential to let your dough rest. Cover it tightly with plastic wrap and allow it to sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This resting period relaxes the gluten, making the dough much easier to roll. Next, divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Take one portion and roll it out very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick, using a rolling pin or pasta machine. With your dough rolled thin, it's time to cut it into your favorite pasta shapes. You can make fettuccine, tagliatelle, or even small squares for ravioli. Remember to dust your freshly cut pasta with a little extra flour to prevent it from sticking together. Finally, cook your homemade pasta in a pot of generously salted boiling water for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until al dente. Enjoy your delicious, egg-free creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.